Important measures in open arable field. All measures taken in the open arable field have the goal to improve the habitat for special birds. In the arable field, the most important species is the skylark. The yellow wagtail, quail, meadow pipit and partridge are other species who profit from the measures taken. Next to crop fields, you can find soil enriched with herbs. These fields are 3 meters wide and 18 meters long and can be found on the edge of the fields. In the field, you can find different types of grains, flowers and herbs that attract different insects for the birds to eat. Birdacres are fields introduced for several years. They consist for 60% of lanes of green feather, like honeysuckle and alfalfa. The other 40% is fallow, including different grasses, grains and herbs. The green feather is mowed 3 or 4 times a year in order to use it as food for animals. To decide when to mow the grass, the farmers take the breeding cycle of the skylark into account. The birdacres are introduced to protect birds of prey, owls, breeding skylarks and other field birds. While lanes on the edge of fields are suitable for some birds, other birds, like the skylark and the quail, prefer staying in the middle of the field. Birdacres covering a full field are therefore more suitable for those birds, especially because the lack of suitable breeding places is a big problem for them. In the birdacres, the birds have enough time to breed before the grass is mowed again. Because honeysuckle and alfalfa are not subject to insect plagues, farmers don't have to use insecticides. In combination with the herbs planted in the fallow, this ensures that the birdacres are enriched with different insects for birds to eat. Field mice are easy to catch for birds of prey and owls because of the mowing of the land. During winter, the different seeds in the fallow provide food for field birds like the skylark, the finch and the yellowhammer. Another advantage of the birdacres is the positive effects of the honeysuckle and alfalfa on the structure and fertility of the soil, because they produce organic material. Not only are the birdacres important breeding places for birds, they also have an important role in the food supply. The different grains, herbs and flowers produce seeds that serve as food for the field birds during winter.